because this is just salvaged barn wood. There's no chemicals or anything on it. It's just solid wood that's been ran through a sawmill. We're gonna put them in the bottom here, just like the scraps, the ends that I cut off to make the beds. We're just gonna throw them in the bottom of the beds there, and they'll rot and break down, and you know, provide us with nutrients and soil and stuff. And instead of, you know, I could burn them, or I could throw them in a scrapyard somewhere, or a junkyard somewhere to let them sit and rot, and instead we'll just put them in the bottom here. Should be fine.